In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track contractors for filing a 1099 in QuickBooks Online on Smase. Whether you're a business owner or a bookkeeper managing multiple accounts, it's important to have a streamlined process for contractor payments, especially come tax time. Today, we'll walk through a few straightforward steps to ensure you're accurately tracking expenses and preparing those crucial 1099 forms. To begin, make sure you're logged into QuickBooks Online. If you're not already familiar with the platform, no worries. I'll guide you through each step. Right after logging in, you'll find yourself on the homepage. This space might seem a bit overwhelming at first with all its features, but we're going to focus on just one aspect today: handling your contractors. Now, once you're on the homepage, look over to the left sidebar. This is where all the primary tools you'll frequently use are conveniently located, and they'll help you navigate through QuickBooks efficiently. You'll need to look for the option labeled Contractors. With one simple click, this will take you to a dedicated section for managing all your contractor-related activities. Here you can easily add contractors, manage their details, and keep track of your financial relationships with them. Once you've accessed the Contractor section, it's time to take the next step in preparing for that upcoming tax season. You'll see an option that says View 1099 Filings. Click on this and it will show you all relevant 1099 information for your contractors. This is an important feature because it not only helps with tracking and managing your contractors, but also simplifies the process of filing 1099 forms accurately. Bear in mind, throughout this process, you need to ensure that all contractor payments are recorded correctly. As this data directly affects what appears on your 1099 form, the QuickBooks Online provides options to record various payment methods, from checks to electronic transfers. Confirm that each contractor's details are up to date in the system, including their tax identification numbers and addresses, because this information is crucial when generating your filings. Additionally, make sure that you've classified all payments correctly. Otherwise, you might end up with discrepancies that can lead to fines or other issues. Having a systematic way to monitor these transactions will save you a lot of headaches during tax season and ensure compliance with IRS regulations. It's all about meticulous record keeping and efficient use of the tools provided by QuickBooks Online, which are designed to make your accounting tasks as smooth as possible. By following these steps, you should have a clear pathway to managing and preparing your contractor 1099s easily. I hope you found this guide straightforward and practical for your accounting needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other QuickBooks tutorials for more tips and tricks to simplify your financial management tasks.